Hello friends! Today is day 22 of our 30-day declutter, and we're going to declutter nail polishes. Do you have nail polishes that look like this, where the polish dyes and the pigments have separated? If so, it's time to get rid of that polish. So we're here in my closet, and on my shelf I have this acrylic shelf filled with all of my favorite polishes. I absolutely love this acrylic shelf, and I love that as I walk into my door I see all my beautiful polishes. As you can see, I have my favorite brands, and I will be showing you why they are my favorite brands here in just a second. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get into these, and I'm going to get rid of the ones that are either last season or the season before, and colors that I'm no longer wearing. And then, of course, if it's separated like that, that's an indication that you need to get rid of that nail polish. Now, you see the pink one over there? That one is separated. However, it is the polish that I'm wearing right now, and I want to do a touch-up on my nails. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it for today, but after I touch up my nails, I will be getting rid of it. Now, these white ones, I thought that I would like, but actually I do not like. White does not look good on me. This one is a pearly white, and then this one is a flat white. I was going to show you here on the back of it. I got one of these, this one, I got from TJ Maxx. You can buy your polish from TJ Maxx. It is considerably cheaper. However, you need to know that those polishes are last season's polish, so they're already old when you're picking them up. Okay, so now I've bought some new polishes that I'm going to stick here on my shelf. Now, my little Lyndon helped me pick out these polishes, and she was insistent that I have this purple polish. However, I already have a purple polish. So I'm going to go ahead and keep both of them. They are a little bit different, so I'll keep both of them. Anyways, and then another one is a pink one that she thinks that I need. Although I already have a pink one that's fairly close to this color pink, but I'm going to go ahead and keep it too because it's so cute. It's like a bubblegum pink. So she loves to see my nails after I polish them. So I think I'll keep this one. And the other one is more of a rose colored. So I'll go ahead and keep it. Anyways, I'm going to show you here in a second why I choose the polishes that I do. And then also I'm going to show you the base coat and the top coat that has my nail polish lasting 2 weeks or longer. And I'm not kidding. And you know that I don't wear gloves when I clean. I don't wear gloves when I wash the dishes. But this nail polish, it's a primer and then it's a top coat. They are remarkable. You can see I'm already 2 weeks into this nail polish and it looks great. So I'm going to go and I'm going to polish on top with that pink that I told you that I need to touch up. And then I'll go back over it with a top coat. And this right here is the primer and the top coat. These are the two that I use. Put the primer on, and then you let it dry, and then you put your color on, and then I do a second coat of color, and then I do the top coat. And then about every 2 or 3 days, I just add a layer of top coat to it, and that's what makes it last so long. And then another thing I use daily is this cuticle oil. This stuff smells good and it absorbs really quickly. So I really like this, and I'm telling you, your manicurist, if you go to one, she's going to love you for using this. Okay, so let me show you this nail polish and why I like it so much. The reason is because of the brush. I love a nice flat brush. Not one that's pointed, but a nice flat brush like this. Here, you can see it up close. See how flat it is? Now the Essie polishes have the flat brush. There's several that have them, but I really like this Essie polish. And then I think it's Sally Hansen. I'm going to show it here in just a second. Yes, it's the Sally Hansen Color Therapy. It's got a very nice flat edge on it. See how nice and flat that is? It's actually even bigger than the Essie one. However, I don't like the polish as much. Okay, I'm going to show you the oil that I really like. And you see how nice and thin that is? It's not a thick oil that's going to leave your hands feeling oily. And I just come in here like in the morning after I do my makeup, and I'll put a little bit of oil on my cuticles and rub it in. And it's first of all, it smells so good. And then second of all, it keeps my cuticles looking nice. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it's encouraged you to get into your nail polish and remove the ones that you're no longer wearing or that are outdated, or have separated. And go get you some new nail polish because it feels so good to have a beautiful array of nail polishes. Okay, I'll see you again in tomorrow's video. Until then, stay blessed, my friends.